10 delicious and easy keto meals to transform your life. Are you ready to embark on a delicious and easy ketogenic diet journey? Join me as I reveal 10 scrumptious ways to enjoy the ketogenic lifestyle. Get ready to lose weight, improve your mental clarity, and boost your energy levels. Here's how it works. 1. Start fresh. Waking up with a keto breakfast like avocado toast can set the tone for a successful day. 2. Stick to whole foods. Embrace whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to fuel your day. 3. Say no to dead suckers. Stick to natural sugars like fruits and honey, and opt for sweeteners like stevia or xylitol when necessary. 4. Create your spice line. Develop your own spice mixes using natural ingredients like cinnamon, cayenne, and nutmeg to enhance your meals. 5. Play with textures. Melt cheese like burrata, dip meat in homemade tomato sauce, or add homemade ricotta to your pasta for added texture and flavor. 6. Let the steam guide you. Saute vegetables in a little olive oil. Then steam them instead of frying to retain nutrients and keep calories low. 7. Embrace plant-based protein. Swap out meat for plant-based options like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and more to meet your protein needs without sacrificing taste. 8. Master the art of lettuce. Unleash power of leafy greens by adding lettuce to salads, sandwiches, and more. 9. Embrace the power of broccoli. Draw broccoli to your salads, soups, and stir-fries for a nutrient-packed addition to your meals. 10. Find your happy zone. Stay consistent with your keto meals, and track your progress to find the perfect combination of snacks, meals, and desserts that suit your lifestyle. Embarking on a ketogenic diet doesn't have to be challenging or boring. By incorporating these 10 delicious and easy ketogenic meal ideas, you'll experience weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. So, grab a fork and dive in. If you like clips with good information about health like this, please like, subscribe, and comment on the NJ Creative Studio 2024 channel. Thank you.
If you like stories like this, please like, follow, comment, and share this NJ Creative Studio 2024 channel with people and children around the world to provide knowledge and create ideas, encouragement for everyone in the world. Thank you.